Today, hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got the fan on, it's hot, so you're gonna deal with a little wind noise, all right? Today we're talking about getting into the nooks and crannies, the real details of a wheel, and these little things have changed my wheel cleaning game forever. All right, look, it's the Blue Shark swabs from the New York Foam Kings. We got them at the house, underrated tool, and I'm gonna show you why today the face tracking got all jacked up here on the camera. Subject is lost, so camera is now doing weird things. Anyway, all right, here we go, back on track. Blue Shark swabs. These simple little swabs, I'm gonna show you why today. Blue Sharks. Of course, it won't focus now because the face tracking's on, but these things, see if I can jump out the way. I can't. I hate technology. Look, oh, that's pretty good right there. Okay, look at me. Nope, nope, nope. Duck, duck. Focus on the swabs. There we go. Look at these things. So they're little foam blocks on a little popsicle stick, but don't get it twisted. These things are freaking fantastic. So we're gonna take one. All right, technology, you can get back on me now. Face tracking initiated. We got the wheel bucket all filled up. We're gonna drop that into our wheel bucket. I don't know where the camera is. Okay, technology today is crazy, all right? All right, so take that out the gun. Let's turn our pressure washer on. It's on. Now let's take our nice little bucket. Shout out to Franco. Got the Franco stick on this mug, clutched up. Just a easier operation here, getting the wheel bucket out. I didn't draw any slack of the pressure washer hose, so we're making it happen in live action. All right, got enough slack now. So let's get you all set up right over here. So today we're basically talking the difference between using this new swab that I like a lot versus using the conventional detailing brushes. Now this is the soft one. I meant to grab the boar's hair one, which is somewhere in the bucket. So, boar's hair. Great little brush, gets in our lug nut areas, been tried and true for many, many years. But let's be honest, on the dirtier vehicles, after you're done detailing, you always look in them lug nuts and you're like, could have got in there a little bit better, got a little bit more agitation. Around the valve stem, you're like, could have got in there a little bit better. This is the secret to getting in those details. So I've been loving this thing. First, let's get to cleaning this wheel. I'm using some Decon shampoo from Garage Therapy. Been loving this stuff since Maz and Johnny jumped on the podcast, and it's just one of the best tire cleaners in the house right now. I'm gonna guarantee that. Look at it go to instantly to work. Let's turn you around, get you up close and personal here, and look at it go. I mean, literally, we're in basically live action here. Decon shampoo going straight to work, doing the dang thing. So that is just fantastic. We're in the hot heat right now. It is, later in the day, so not direct sunlight or nothing. So we can let this dwell, let it do its thing as long as possible as our pre-soak. It's, let me get you back in here because it's loosening up all kind of good stuff that you really need to see. You know what I mean? Look here. So even using a high quality chemical, of course, is gonna help you out as well. Loosen up all the dirt and the nooks and crannies and all that stuff. So now that we've dwelled, let's give it the rinse. Look at all that just fly off the surface of our wheel and tire. Decon shampoo did a fantastic job in our carpeted fender wells, loosening all that up. So, we're gonna hit it again with our Decon shampoo now that we've knocked off most of the abrasive material. And now we can get into cleaning. We're gonna take our barrel brush, we're gonna get in here, we're gonna do our normal thing that we like to do, which is agitate the barrels. Nothing changing so far, right? Standard operating procedure here. This is the General Car Care barrel brush. Love this thing. It's held up very nicely. This is the first one that I've bought and I've been using ever since we brought them into the house, so still going strong there. I'm gonna agitate the carpeted fender wells. You can use this shaped brush, the toilet brush is what you can call it, I guess, but it works great in fender wells if you want to get in here, agitate that carpeted liner. I'm telling you, Decon shampoo pretty much knocked it out, but we'll get in here, do a light agitation. Anyway, next up, tires. That House of Rags tire brush. This is actually one we might be working. This might be V2 of the tire brush. And look at the lather we're getting. It's able to contour a little bit better. Can't talk about it too much. It's a secret. Shh. So it's working fantastic. So beautiful. You can see even all that brown we knocked off at first, Decon shampoo still doing a great job knocking that off. Now we get into agitating the wheel face, right? So we are still gonna run our boar's hair brush because it's gonna cover a bigger surface area. Of course, if you wanna use a nylon flag tip brush, you're welcome to bust that out right now as well, but we're gonna cover the large area with the boar's hair brush. Hope everybody's staying hydrated out there. Stay hydrated. Liquid IV, good time to run that. Run to the store, get you some of that. Gatorades, whatever you run. Anyway, stay hydrated is key. All right, here's where we change up the game, all right? If I can find it. It is small, but it does float at the top of your bucket. And that's that New York Foam Kings brush. So let's get you in here and up close so you can see the action. So the traditional boar's hairs, the bristles go straight to the back, right? They do an all right job of agitating around the lug nut and the back, but the sides of the walls is where it kind of fails to get really good agitation. So using the New York Foam Kings Shark Foam Swab, look at that, how it's just able to not only get the back, get around the lug nut, but you're also giving a great clean, and you can hear that squeaky action, that cleaning action going on around the whole lug nut area. And it doesn't take much agitation at all to get a really good clean using these things. So just fantastic. It is also a sponge material, so if you need to dunk, squeeze that bad boy right back clean again, just get in there, give it a little agitation. These things have changed the lug nut cleaning game, in my opinion. I don't know whose idea this was, who found these swabs, but I just know my dude, a New York Foam Kings, is the one who I've seen them first with, and they're fan-freaking-tastic. Get over here, valve stem, you can give a good clean there, and boom, if you missed any, nooks and crannies, we can get in here real good and get in all the nice details that you like to be detailed on. Look at that. You can clean it out and go again the next wheel and tire. Rinse off. Don't forget that carpeted wheel well. Still running the Ryobi 1.8 GPM, doing a fantastic job, holding up even through the summer heat, so good deal there. Now, after a thorough rinse, you come in here, you do your inspection, and look how clean the lug nuts are. Look how clean all the nooks and crannies are of our wheels. The valve stem is looking real nice. Just overall, just a superior clean wheel and tire, just from adding one little addition to our arsenal. And also that Decon shampoo, I mean, just knocking it out the park. Fantastic stuff there. Oh, we're going crazy, going crazy. Oh, there we go. Oh, too far, go back down. All right, so just changing one thing in the arsenal, adding one little wrinkle to the wheel cleaning game. That New York Foam Kings Blue Shark swab is where it's at. I just wanted to make this video, wound up being 10 minutes. It's a little crazy, it's a little fun, it's hot out here. Stay hydrated, everybody. I'm telling you, this will change your wheel cleaning game forever. Go check it out, the House of Rags. That's all we got on this one. See you on the next one.